Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a gripping story out of Southern Africa that's been causing quite a stir. We're diving deep into the shocking allegations of election interference in Mozambique, involving none other than Zimbabwe's ruling party, Zanu PF, and President Emmerson Mnangagwa. So what's the deal? The Southern Africa human rights lawyers have dropped a bombshell, accusing Zimbabwe of sending nationals across the border to vote in Mozambique's recent elections. This alleged meddling is said to favor the ruling Frelimo party and its candidate Daniel Chapo. Now that's a serious accusation. The opposition party, Podemos, led by Venancio Mondlane, is up in arms, disputing the results and crying foul. They allege widespread fraud and claim that Zimbabwean voters have undermined the integrity of their election. And things have gotten pretty heated. There are reports of violence and unrest, with over 50 lives tragically lost in the post-election chaos. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. Observers have flagged numerous irregularities beyond the Zimbabwean interference claims. We're talking vote manipulation, voter intimidation, and discrepancies between the vote counts at polling stations and the official figures. Venancio Mondlane, trailing behind Frelimo's Daniel Chapo in the official results, is not holding back. He's calling for an independent investigation, alleging massive election rigging. And he's not alone. Other opposition parties like Renamo are echoing his concerns, pointing to similar instances of vote manipulation. Here's where things get even more intriguing. Videos have emerged allegedly showing Zimbabwean citizens with Mozambican voter IDs casting ballots. If these videos are legit, they could be the smoking gun that proves external interference. This raises serious questions about the security and oversight of the voting process. Now the calls for a thorough investigation are growing louder. Human rights groups, opposition parties, and concerned citizens want accountability and transparency. They're pressing for international bodies like SADC and the African Union to step in and mediate. There's even talk of an independent inquiry led by an international body to ensure impartiality. The situation in Mozambique is a stark reminder of the fragility of democratic processes, especially in post-conflict societies. It highlights the critical need for robust electoral systems, independent monitoring, and a steadfast commitment to democratic principles. The international community has a responsibility to support these efforts and hold those accountable for undermining democracy. So, what's next for Mozambique? Will there be an independent inquiry? Will the international community intervene? These are the burning questions. That's it for today's video. If you found this story as gripping as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay informed, stay engaged, and I'll catch you in the next one.